Assalamualaikum guys, this is the installation for the CRC. This is the second part of the CRC installation. After the installation of CRC, I just open up the PowerShell and I check the status of the machine. After that, I will just press the CRC setup. Now you can see that the setup is just going on, and it is just going on to be installed on my system. When the setup will be finished, we will just continue this lab after that. Thank you. All right, guys. After around 25 minutes, the installation is completed for the CRC. Now we have to put up the command CRC start to start our cluster. Now it is going to start the hypervisor. It will around take again 10 minutes, so we should have to be wait for this. Okay, here we can see that the virtual machine is installed on the Hyper-V Manager, and this is a place where we use the OC command line to just approach it to just log in inside the CRC and configure our cluster. Seems like it's going to be installed successfully. We have to be wait. We're just going to start the kubelet services, as we can see that here. This is our machine. CRC's machine is running. 44% is the CPU, and it is going to acquire the 9216 is a memory for this one. This is almost the last part of this lab. Then in the next portion, I'll install the OC, and we will define the environmental variable. Then after that, we can access it the cluster from anywhere in this computer. Here in the end of it, we will get the username and the password for the admin or the developer. We will log in the console, and then in that way we can configure and also fetch the key and insert it in the command line so that we can access our cluster under the key. Okay, guys, now the server is up and running. It will take around 1 hour to fix up this CRC installation. You can see that the status of the machine is the CRC is it's running, and the version that I have installed. This is the version information for OpenShift 4.12. CRC is 2.19, and the most important thing is now I should have to be log in through the administrative password. This is the console address which I need to be used and log in inside the console area. Let us collect the information for this one. The cube admin is a password. The username and the password is this one. The system is a bit slow because it is just going to be take up so much of the RAM from my system. From my system side, it is just going to use 6.29 out of 9.39. Just bear with me. Okay. Also, let me open my blog site. I need to show you the blog area. Every information detail is already present there. If you follow those steps, you can easily install if the capability, if you have the right RAM and a CPU information inside of your system. Let's log inside of it as a administrator. Sometimes it happens. Okay, we can do one thing. Let's do this on the other way around. We'll just go and just as a developer, just try to be login. Okay. The password for the developer is developer, and the username is also developer. Let me check my machine once. Okay, meanwhile, I just need to show you the blog area, and you have to go to the OpenShift area. What is the next in this lab? Also, I just need to show you one more thing. System is quite slow. Okay, installing. Yeah, it is a one. After the installation of everything, what happened? As we will go for the login, it will ask us for the secret. We'll just get the secret as we will be logging through the administrator. Just copy it and put up in our command line area. And after that, as you can see that now you can copy it from the full secret section of this. This is the secret section area. As I put the command, this is a secret key. I put it here. And after that, the creating of CRC VM for OpenShift 4.1213. And that's it. This is all the way the lab will be running on. So we can do one more thing. See, it is stopped working. Maybe this is because of the load or something like that. But this is the overall concept of the lab. This is how the way, if you have the more and more resources, you can simply perform this lab. I just try to be connect with this cloud, this cluster with the OC, and just try to be go inside of it, and we will configure our. As we can see that we don't have the any OC command yet. So for this, I just need to run the OC command, and then we will see what we can do. Some of the troubleshooting for this one is if we can see that I'm just going to stop it, CRC stop. We fully stop it and just try to run it again. If this thing you have to be faced in your lab. Uh, as after that, after the stop, if you start it again, the most of the chances the system is stable and you can just perform your other part of the lab. As the system will be stable, I'm going to be shipped to the part 3 of this lab, and we will configure the OC. This is OpenShift CLI, and through this we will start configuring the cluster, the container, the power deployment, and the services, and whatever we just want to do, we will do through this. Okay. So for the meanwhile, stand by and thank you very much. And please put the comment so that I can improve myself. And take care and good night.